Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating. You have a rear-facing entertainment center here. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats and a heated steering wheel. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Chrysler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.